50,000. No longer a psychological barrier, now the reality for the Dow Jones Industrial Average. But while the blue chip index celebrates, the Nasdaq is retreating by nearly 2%, leaving the S&P 500 essentially flat. This is market bifurcation. Capital is migrating away from AI-exposed growth and into a full-scale value revival. The euphoria of the investment arms race is hitting a wall, signaling a clear pattern break in capital deployment. Under the surface, the shift is accelerating. This week, value stocks outperformed growth by 400 basis points. This is not risk-off. It is a strategic repricing of growth itself. Skepticism around AI overbuild is rising. Investors are no longer giving mega-cap tech a free pass on massive capital expenditures. Instead, capital is rotating toward tangible, real economy performance. The market is choosing proven earnings over speculative promises. At the macro level, the U.S. economy sends mixed signals. The labor market is cooling. Private job growth came in at 22,000. Job openings fell to their lowest level since 2020. January layoffs reached 108,000, the highest since 2009. Meanwhile, manufacturing is accelerating. The ISM Manufacturing Index surged to 52.6, its first expansion in over a year. Cooling labor raises the odds of a Federal Reserve pivot, while manufacturing strength explains the Dow's leadership. This rotation is global. In Europe, markets hit fresh highs as inflation slowed to 1.7%, anchoring the disinflation narrative. In the United Kingdom, the FTSE 100 rose 1.43% after a narrow 5-4 Bank of England vote, putting a March rate cut firmly on the table. In Japan, equities rally into elections. The Nikkei 225 gained 1.75%. The Topix rose 3.72%, even as the yen weakens toward 157 per dollar. We are now in the eye of the storm. Next week brings two volatility triggers, U.S. inflation data and the delayed U.S. jobs report. The outcome is binary, confirmation of a soft landing or a sharp reversal driven by higher for longer fears. In this environment, complacency is the greatest risk. I am your senior global market strategist. In a bifurcated market, strategic intelligence is your edge. For a deeper breakdown, listen to our full weekly market podcast, available now. And to stay ahead of the macro curve, share, like, and subscribe. The full presentation deck from today's briefing is free to download, available in 5 languages: English, French, German, Italian, and Spanish.